No. Okay, wait.
There's blue slime out of blue slime.
Today we're going to make awkward noises. Enjoy.
Good. This is perfect and creepy. This is gonna be the cringiest video you've ever seen.
Enjoy the video.
They're not gonna enjoy.